Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome at Tabarak Academy. This is Amr, a Quran and Tajweed teacher for non-Arabic speakers. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the other type of secondary mad due to Skoon. Secondary mad due to Skoon contains mad lazim, mad عارض للسكون, and mad lean. Inshallah, in this video we are gonna talk about the mad عارض للسكون. We will cover what is the meaning of mad عارض للسكون, and inshallah we will practice on some examples. If you wanna know, let's start. The meaning of mad عارض للسكون: if a letter of mad is followed by a letter at the end of a word, okay, and this letter is sakin temporarily. We will know what is the meaning of temporarily. It means due to sukoon. Yeah, when I say al-qisas, okay, in this case the letter of mad is preceded by sad with fatha, so you will say we have natural mad, but we have the letter at the end of this word and we have stop temporarily. So in this case the reader stretches sound 2, 4 or 6 harakas, and we called it as temporarily because if the letter resume or continue in his recitation, this mad will cancel. For example, when I say وَلَكُمْ فِي الْقِصَاصِ حَيَاةٌ يَا أُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ. وَلَكُمْ فِي الْقِصَاصِ, I'm not saying الْقِصَاص or الْقِصَاص or الْقِصَاص with 6 counts. So we called it temporarily mad because we pronounce it in cases of stopping only. When I say وَلَكُمْ, the previous example, وَلَكُمْ فِي الْقِصَاصِ حَيَاةٌ يَا أُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ. When I stop on al-qisas, when I say وَلَكُمْ فِي الْقِصَاص, in this case you can stretch your sound 2, 4 or 6 harakas. So we called it as temporarily mad, okay, because we pronounce it in case of stopping only. When I say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, okay, we have ya letter preceded by mim with kasra. You will say that's natural mad. So, but we have a letter at the end of a word and we stop temporarily. So in this case we have mad عارض للسكون and we can stretch our sound 2, 4, 6 harakas because we stop. What if I continue, or what if I resume my recitation? I'll say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen Ar-Rahman, okay, cancelled. When I say وَيَأْمُرُونَ بِالْمَعْرُوفِ, so we have waw mad preceded by ra with dhamma, so this is natural mad, but you can look to the following letter. We have following letter sakin due to stopping or temporarily sukoon. So in this case the reader can stretch his sound 2, 4 or 6 harakas because we have mad عارض للسكون or mad due to stopping. Alhamdulillah, in this video we have covered what is the meaning of mad عارض للسكون and we have practiced on some examples. I think that's all I can see inshallah in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Salam.